I'm Felicity from Neto, and this is Alita from Milk-It Academy, and we're here to talk to you today about digital marketing for retail in 2018.
So you've got your Facebook ads going on, you're doing some email marketing, maybe you're stepping into automation, but in 2018, is that really enough?
It's just not enough. So that's why we've teamed up with Milk-It Academy again for the second in our series of marketing webinars, and this one is going to teach you exactly what you need to know about how to stand out from the crowd in 2018 and how to turn your customers into raving advocates.
We call this growth marketing.
So to register for the webinar, just click the link below to learn all about how to implement the principles of design thinking and growth marketing in your strategy, post-purchase automation and how to get more out of your marketing for less, 3 strategies that are high cost and low impact, and the 3 changes you need to be aware of: social, emails, and bots. Plus, we'll teach you how to get started with bots without breaking the bank.
Plus, we'll be revealing the ultimate toolkit that you need to become the best growth-focused marketers, and give away a copy of our ebook Promotional Pudding, which are agency-designed creative ideas to give you sales. Hope to see you there.
See you there.